Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Misha. So today, after 7 days of me staying in my house, today I decided to make a walk. So come with me guys and join me on my walk.
And catch some fresh air because it was really getting so stuffy in the apartment and it's unbearable, you know.
Don't mind about the background, that's my kids' room, and you know it's quarantine, so you know what it is all about. Play and throw everything around, but don't worry, we get everything in order. And yeah, so we are back, and now we're back in our quarantine. Probably for the next 5 days or 7 days we'll be in here, but that's okay. Just try to find something positive to do with your time, find something to keep you busy, and just create the activities you can do indoors and you will be good to go. Just find something to do with your kids, to do with your husband, to do with your family, and it will be good. Try to learn, to get something to learn in the internet. There are so many nice courses that can improve you, improve yourself, improve your career, improve everything about you in the internet. You can try to equip yourself with some of that. And this time, you know, let's just try to get a positive out of these trying moments. So try to look up all those things that you can use, like learning a new language, learning some computer skills, Microsoft Access, everything. Like, you know, try to just equip yourself, or getting to read novels, getting into reading clubs on internet, getting to like all those things. So try to just get the positive out of this time and enjoy it. I know it's very stressing for us all, but we can of course find the positive out of it and use it to our own advantage. So love you all guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be part of the first to on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And I love you all. Choose peace. I sign out.